ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in Rag Jatsri Ang 708 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Let's read it, understand it, and most importantly, we will implement it in our day-to-day life. सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी. श्लोक. राज कपटंग रूप कपटंग तन कपटंग कुल गर्भत ह. Power is fraudulent, beauty is fraudulent, and wealth is also fraudulent, as is pride of ancestry. संचत बिखिया छल छिद्र नानक बिन हर संग न चालते, which means one may gather poison through deception and fraud, O Nanak, but without the Lord nothing shall go along with him in the end. So Guruji says that power, beauty and wealth, they all are like a limited edition gadget you buy. Looks very shiny in the beginning, but then dust is accumulating because power, it goes with age. Beauty, it goes with time. And then pride. If someone has acquired lot of ancestral property, one needs to understand that what contribution he or she has done. So everything is so temporary, that one thing is permanent, that is self awareness. When we talk about Lord, it means that we need to know about the self. When we know about the self, only then we can connect with that higher power. Throughout the lives, people keep on chasing the power. For example, you need promotion. Why you need promotion? Because promotion has power. But उसके साथ साथ क्या आते हैं? Sleepless nights, lot of stress, lot of projects, lot of responsibility. So one becomes like the hamster on the wheel chasing for happiness. उसके बाद आपने देखा अक्सर एक सोसाइटी में एक बड़े कॉमन से वर्ड्स हैं, उसके पास बहुत बहुत पावर है, और वही पावरफुल इंसान जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो, वो अपने साथ कितने सारे बॉडीगार्ड्स को लेके घूमता है, बिकॉज ही इज़ द मोस्ट इनसिक्योर पर्सन ऑन दिस प्लानट. There was a king who was very busy in accumulating the wealth and other fanciest things in life. तो उसके पास एक सेंट आता है, वो उसको कहता है कि मरना तो सबने है, मरने के बाद ये एक नीडल अपने साथ लेके जाना. तो वो कहता है कि बाद में मैं इस नीडल का क्या करूँगा. सेंट सेज कि फिर बाकी चीज़ों का क्या करोगे. यू आर कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन योर पीस ऑफ माइंड, योर इन्जॉयमेंट. तुम इस टाइम कितना कुछ कर सकते हो, अपनी जो तुम्हारी जो प्रजा है उसके लिए कितना कुछ कर सकते हो, उनकी लाइफ में कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो, बट यू आर बिजी इन एक्यूमुलेटिंग द थिंग्स एंड कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ. सो बैलेंसिंग the life is very important, as we have studied in mathematics as well, and in holistic health also. Mind, body, soul, the coordination is very important. So let's implement today's हुक्मनामा in our day to day life. आप नोट कीजिए कि आपके लिए क्या important है. See, there are so many distractions. इतने लोगों की पावर हम पे हावी हो जाती है, मीडिया हमें कितना कुछ दिखा रहा है, हम लोग डर के बैठे रहते हैं, वो बहुत पावरफुल है, वो बहुत पावरफुल है. तो एज आई सेड दैट जितने पावरफुल लोग हैं उनके साथ सिक्योरिटी होती है, दे आर द मोस्ट इनसिक्योर पीपल ऑन दिस planet. So we really need to understand ourselves, because when we understand ourselves, that is like connecting to the higher power. And how will we understand ourselves? Through the purpose of life, कि हमें एक्चुअली क्या करना है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो गलत जॉब्स में हैं, और end of the day they just become disaligned with them, and then get up in the morning again they join the same job. So we need to understand that what do we want in life, what's so important for us, and then uh, we can have a good life holistically. तो आज इस चीज़ को implement करते हैं. You make a list that what is so important for you in life, maybe in your health area, in your financial area, in your domestic area, in your relationships area. आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में क्या चाहिए, and then implement, find out the true purpose, and then take action on that. So today's Hukamnama is a beautiful distinction of taking action on the important things of your life. So implement it and then share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.